You ever catch yourself reaching for your phone without even thinking? One second you're bored, the next, you're deep into endless scrolling, junk food cravings, random YouTube rabbit holes, and somehow hours just disappear. It's not your fault. Your brain's been hijacked by tiny dopamine hits. And today, we're going to take it back. This isn't just a detox. This is how you rebuild real focus, energy, and self control, even if you feel too addicted right now. Let's fix it, step by step. Point one: what even is dopamine? Imagine dopamine like the brain's little reward messenger. Whenever you eat chocolate, win a game, or get a new follower notification, boom, dopamine gives you a mini high five. It's basically what keeps cavemen hunting, building, surviving. But today, our brains get flooded with rewards for doing absolutely nothing productive, like opening TikTok 37 times in an hour. Key takeaway: dopamine isn't evil, it's just confused. It rewards whatever you do the most, even the bad habit. Now, point two: how dopamine is secretly wrecking your focus. Think of your brain like a muscle. If you only lift tiny 1 pound weights all day, aka quick rewards like scrolling, when it's time to lift something real, aka deep work like studying or working, your brain just collapses. Short dopamine bursts weaken your brain's stamina. That's why even reading a page feels like running a marathon sometimes. Bottom line: high dopamine, cheap rewards equals low focus in real life. Point three: the dopamine tolerance trap. Here's the crazy part: the more dopamine you flood your system with, the less pleasure you actually feel from normal stuff. At first, 10 minutes of gaming feels amazing. Later, it needs an hour, then two, then nothing feels good anymore. Even real life feels boring. It's like watering a plant so much. It actually starts drowning instead of growing. And point four: how to reboot your brain. The dopamine reset plan. First rule: starve the bad dopamine, feed the good. You don't have to delete everything. Just swap some cheap dopamine with real one. Instead of 30 minutes of mindless scrolling, try 10 minutes of walking outside, 5 minutes of deep breathing, actually talking to a human being. Crazy, I know. Small swaps confuse your brain at first, but slowly it relearns what real satisfaction feels like. Point five: cut the hidden triggers or get crushed. Every addiction has a sneaky trigger. Scrolling, it's boredom. Snacking, stress. Gaming, escape. Easy fix: change the environment. Example: if your phone is the devil, don't keep it inside your study room pretending you'll ignore it. Put it in another room. Make distractions hard to reach, and watch how fast your self-control levels up. Point six: delay the reward. Simple but genius trick. Next time you crave something, don't say no immediately. Just delay it. Tell yourself, okay, I'll scroll. But after 10 minutes, half the time the craving vanishes. Because dopamine is an impulse monster. It hates waiting. Master delaying and you master your brain. Point seven: build real dopamine sources. The fun part. Now here's where the magic happens. You replace fake rewards with real ones. Start chasing dopamine from building skills, working out, learning something new, creating stuff, music, art, coding, videos. At first it feels harder, but later, these rewards are way more powerful than anything your phone can give you.